And now, Stephanycasa, 6'7", 357 pounds, from the University of UCLA, Los Angeles, California. Are you ready to rumble? Alright, already starting with foundation lipstick, I guess. And we spray with a brush, on the face, them cheeks. Damn, okay, those eyebrows are nice. What is this? How do you do that? Yeah. Colourpop, what is this? More foundation. Yeah, more foundation is better. Yep. Oh, different shades. Yeah, hide them bags. Hide them bags. Someone's tired. Alright, yeah, it's looking good. Looking good. Ooh, okay, she's happy. Yeah. So we spread that foundation, I guess. Wow, it looks pretty good already. What is this? Oh, is that concealer? Is that yeah, I'm pretty sure that's concealer. Okay, so more of the magic powder. I'm under the eyes. All right. Yeah. Sephora. Okay. What is this? More powder. Okay. You see, that's why they say, yeah, 20, 30 minutes, I'll be done. And it takes 2, 3 hours, bro. All right. What is wrong? Those dry patches? Nose? Oh, yucky. All right. Boom. Spray, spray. Oh, yo. All right. More and more and more. What is this? Hydrating. Okay. So we apply more on the cheeks, I guess. Wow, that's a long process. That's a long process. I don't know how you guys do it. I don't know. Okay, more and more. All right, now we enter in the surgical process. You see this? Working on that nose job. Guys, there's some people they pay 15K to get this shit done like this. You see that? Flawless. Boom. Okay, now it is some pink stuff from Alamar. What is this? What is she gonna do? More brush out here. I guess is it the glow? She's trying to add some glow. Look at them cheeks. Yeah, I can see it. Alright. So yeah, more of it. Colourpop. This gotta be eyeshadow. Yep. So now we add some white on the eyelid to make the color pop. Yep. Alright. Damn, you see that eye crease? Yeah, you gotta take care of that nice fade. I like that. I like that. Some subtle colors, but really nice. Real nice overall. I'll give it an A+. Yeah. Different eyeshadow color now. Okay. Bring some more festivity to it. Yeah. That wing, yeah, you gotta stay fly, girl. Yup. Okay. I like that. Yeah. Give some vibrance in the eye. You see that? And then some Q-tip right here. Yeah, because this is glittery, huh? I know that. So you gotta make it look even. Alright. Little corner, you know, always gotta look shiny. And some white. What is she doing? Why? Why? It was nice. I guess. Oh, to add more glitter. Glitter. Shadow, I guess. Gold. I like it. Now we add some gold to it. Some goldy gold. Yes, sir. Make it look poppin'. Yeah, I like that. I like that. It's pretty nice. Alright, now it's the mascara. No, it's an eyeliner. It's a pencil eyeliner. I'm pretty sure. Brown pencil eyeliner. It looks nice. Okay. It's matching the colors. Yeah. Okay, under the eye, above the eye. And what is this? Bang! Some bang! Okay, that's for the eyelash. This is mascara. That's what you call mascara. I know that. Yup. Okay, give some volume to those eyelashes. Looks like... Ooh! Damn, girl! Damn! Okay. Sorry, guys. I got loud, but shush. You see that girl? Oh, my God. Okay. Some more brush now. Okay, lippy sticks. All right, now I know that's the lips. All right, some contour around those lips. Woo! Red carpet. Give her an Oscar. Damn, I like that. Ooh, vibrance. Yep. The famous after a lipstick. Yeah, I know how it sounds. All right, so now we are ready for some. I don't know what it was. We'll see. Bang! With no regard for human lives. Oh my God! You stay dangerous. Yeah, you gotta stay dangerous during summertime. Yep. Wow. Okay. I like that. I really like that. It looks like she fought with a golden tiger from the Himalayan mountains or something. Yep. She won the fight though. You already know. Are you not entertained? Peace out, guys! And you can subscribe to Stephany Casanova on Instagram, Stephany Casanova on Twitter, and Stephany Casanova on YouTube. You already know what to do.